So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily send image as a Word document. So friend, in this tutorial I will guide you step by step everything. So friend, you will learn very new thing. And friend, this is my request to you guys. If you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I am uploading this type of tutorials every week. So friend, you will learn very new things. And friend, right now we are going to see how we can send image as a document. So what I will do, first of all, I am going to show you, this is my sample images which I want to send on WhatsApp as a document. Okay, so I'm going to close this image and right now I'm going to open my WhatsApp. So friend, this is my desktop PC and here I'm using WhatsApp web version, but you can also use same thing on your mobile. Okay, so here what I will do, this is my WhatsApp and here I'm going to send that image as a document. Right here you can see this is my text option here, and nearby you can see this pin icon. Simply click on that. Whenever you click here, then you will get many options. Like here you can see this is my business account of WhatsApp, that's why it is showing catalog option, but you will get this option document. Okay, you simply click here. What happened, you will get the browser feature to get that file which you want to send as a document. Right, so I have added images on desktop, so this image I want to send as a document. Right, so I'm going to select this image and simply click here. So friend, here you can see right now we are not able to see the preview of the image because right now we have selected that image as a document. So here you can see the size of that image which is showing you 702 KB. Okay, so whenever you select that image and send by as a document, that time your image will not losing the quality. Okay, because whenever you send image as a picture on WhatsApp is automatically optimize that image and losing the quality of image and send to your sender. But by document, that will not increase or losing the quality of image, so you will send that image as a document, so that will help you. So friend, here you can see the image size is 702 KB, which is right now I'm going to click on this green icon, send icon. Simply click here, your image will send to the sender. Okay, so right now we are going to check the size of that image. So what I will do, this is my desktop and this is my image, and right click on that and simply click on this properties. Whenever you click the properties, then you can see friend, this is my image size. Right, this is my image size 702 KB. So friend, this is very useful trick. You can simply send your image by document which will not lose the quality of your image. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys how you can send image as a document on WhatsApp. I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. Friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. And friend, this is my request to you guys. If you are coming first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please click on bell icon so you will get my new videos notification first on your homepage. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.